Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to make your Facebook friends list private. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily do these settings on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, just open your Facebook. Once you open your Facebook, click on menu. Now once you click on menu, just click on the settings button at the upper right corner. Now once you click on that, under tools and resources, you can see privacy checkup. Just click on this and you can see the first option says who can see what you share. Just click on that and click on continue. Now scroll to the last end and you can see under friends and following, you can see who can see your friends list on your profile. Click on that and you can see friends, accept, and also specific friends, and you can see only me. So if you want to completely make your friends list private, just click on only me and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new